So you're selling at school, but you want to know what's the best way to restock, get snacks, and make more money. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how Pro Chip Plug Restocks gets all the products and gets the most bang for your buck. And this method is what helped me make over $100 a day when selling at school. I'm also gonna drop some secret tips throughout the video that will help you be the best snack seller at your school. So stay tuned towards the end and let's get started. So after depositing the money I made last week from selling at school, we arrived at the first store.
Alright, bet, so we pulled up Smart & Final. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna restock and how I would restock. So let's go.
Now me personally, I love Smart & Final. And right when I walk in, it literally feels like a Sam's Club or a Costco. But you don't have to pay for the memberships. So there was literally these Knots cookies, and these are priced really fairly, and you can make a lot of profit. So you can basically make your money back 2 times. Next, I'm going to the candy and chip aisle. They're on the same aisle, so they make it so perfect for us chip sellers.
$14. We're ordering those off Amazon.
The Takis were overpriced. I'm like, all right, let me take a look at the candies.
$20.
Now I ended up getting a few candies, but now we're gonna go over to the main chip area.
They've never had these. I'm getting all 3 of these boxes. Hot fries. Oh yeah, this is tough.
They got some good Gatorades. We're gonna get these. I've never seen these. Red, white, and blue. So those are gonna sell pretty quick.
You can see how to reorganize everything. The chips and Gatorades weren't fitting. I wanted to get so much Gatorades, and I ended up removing the whole cart. So I finished packing, but one thing that I like to do is count exactly how much I'm gonna pay. So if it's 16 bucks, I like to say it's 20 just so I have extra money in my pocket. So yeah, we paid, we got the receipt. Now we're heading back to the truck, and I gotta pack these up real quick. Being careful with the chips because I don't want to crack them. And then the Gatorades, I don't want no dented Gatorades or cracked Gatorades to spill. But yeah, we finished packing. Now we're gonna put the cart away, and now we're gonna dip to the next store. So we're at the next store, but something crazy happened. This old lady needed help putting water bottles, so I ended up helping her, and she ended up giving me a little something.
That was pretty crazy, but we're going to Costco. You can hear all the commotion around me. We're gonna restock, taking you guys along with me. So let's go inside.
Walking into Costco can be overwhelming because it's huge, and the chips are all the way in the back. But once we get there, there's a lot of chips. And today I'm gonna stock up. So as I'm stocking up the car, I'm gonna give y'all a secret tip because y'all made it this far. Always pay with card in Costco. And what you're seeing me do in the video is exactly how I pack, so I can fit everything on one cart and I don't have to get multiple. Now me, when I was selling, I would have a lot of ones, and it would always take forever to pay. People would look at me weird, and since I didn't have a membership for myself, it was my mom's, they would turn me away. This is why you pay in card and go through the self-checkout, because they don't check or trip. Also, it's quicker and better from my experience. So literally me, I only come to Costco for like one thing, which is the chips, because they're the cheapest here and they give me the most variety, and they're the big bags. So I had the lady scan all my chips, and now we're putting in my pin to pay. So you guys see the total right there. We paid, we got the receipt. Now let's dip to the next store.
I'll get that.
But before we dip, we gotta pack everything we just got from Costco. So we have a bunch of chips, and we're gonna put them all in the back of my truck. Now this is the best part. It's just super fun to me. I don't know why, but yeah, we finished up. So now let's put the cart back.
All right, bro, just put your carts away, bro. It's not that hard to put your carts away. Yes, I'm wearing socks with sandals. Who's tripping?
So the next best store where you can restock at is Amazon. We already got all the packages and we're unboxing them right now, but I want you guys to use Amazon as a last resort. Always check on it to make sure that the prices are right in the stores and that it's not cheaper on Amazon, because if it is cheaper, order it off there. I made a whole list where all the best candies are. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description, and this is one of my last stops, and you can see everything I already got. I got Airheads, Sour Patch Watermelon, Sour Punch Straws, I got Andy Cap hot fries, and even some blue Takis. So that was the whole restock, and this is what helps me make over $100 every single day selling snacks at school. So let me know if I should do something different. Let me know if I missed something, and if you guys want to be with a bunch of other hustlers just like you, then join the Discord. It's going to be linked in the description.